Welcome back to Add Art. Today's tutorial is another Halloween special. I'm going to show you how to draw a spooky spider in its web. Before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released a new picture like this one. Okay, let's make a start. First we'll begin with the spider's head. Draw a circle for that. Next we'll put in 2 eyes. As it's Halloween, we'll give this some angry eyebrows. Put the pupils in. Now most spiders have 8 eyes, so we'll draw the rest in. Another one on top, another one on top there. Give it a smiling mouth full of fangs. Now spiders are made of 2 parts, so let's put the abdomen in. We'll have it dangling from some silky thread. Just like the eyes, they have 8 legs. So we'll have the first 2 coming down here. Put 2 just behind. With the next pair of legs pointing up. We'll have the next pair of legs clinging onto the silk thread, almost as though they're hanging onto it. We'll bring a line down here and we'll start building the web. One coming in from the side. Up to the top. Another diagonal down to the bottom here. Just start filling those gaps with more strands. Most spiders make these silk webs to catch their prey. Now we'll start building in between these lines with these curves. And this gives spiders' webs their unique design. Each one I'm just curving up and across, up and across. And then we'll come inside and do one closer to the spider. Just making sure it's behind, so not going over the legs. Just continue that from the top. Now, a collective noun of spiders is a cluster, but I'm not sure you'd want to make more than one of this sort. One set just in between. And you can put as many of these kind of circling lines in your web as you want. Make it as detailed as possible. And there are over 40,000 species of spider, and the fear of spiders is called arachnophobia. And one on the outside here. You just have to imagine it would be disappearing off the bottom there. But there we have it. There is our spooky Halloween spider in its web. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.